Let us begin installing COS 1.1. First, create an account at miner CoinFly.cc. After registering and signing into your account, insert your USB flash drive into your PC. Carefully read and accept system requirements before starting the installation process. You will need to set up your bootable USB thumb drive. Please follow the instructions. You will need to launch the utility as administrator. After unpacking, select Download Full Version. Downloading can take some time. This depends on your internet connection speed. After the download is complete, press Flash. Keep in mind, all data on your USB flash drive will be erased. After the installation is complete and your USB flash drive is ready, you will receive a notification. Take your USB flash drive and insert it into your mining rig. Boot up your mining rig and go into BIOS options. In BIOS, make your USB flash drive bootable, save and exit, and reboot your rig. COS installation process will start automatically. The installation process is about 3 minutes. After COS has been installed, the rig will reboot automatically. You will see the screen with the QR code. Go back to your PC and log in to your miner.coinfly.cc account. After successful COS installation, you will see your rig in your CoinFly portal. You will need to complete first time setup and you're ready to start mining.